Incremental routines. So you know that in SuperMemo, usually the default built-in backup solution was crap. Please don't use it. If you have seen the SuperMemo course, the pleasurable guide to SuperMemo was the least preferred option, right? You have the Git backup solution. You could just zip it with Windows, whatever. Turns out that in SuperMemo 20, they have finally updated the backup. So now if I do a backup of this collection, it tells me the free space I have on the storage, basically, that, hey, the last backup is 1.3 gigabytes. Do I have enough free space? Even in this computer, in this potato computer, I do. In any modern computer, you don't have to worry about that. That's from the decades ago. So we'll just back up this, which will do the same as before, as always. So creates a brand new collection and copies every single file. The difference would be is that once it is done, it will create a zip folder. So it's the same experience as creating a zip with, for instance, 7-zip, the app I use, but a lot slower. Same feature, just a lot slower. And it doesn't compress as much because it's just zip. But at least it's good that people who will use the default option, finally they get a zip. Because imagine I have 100,000 little files. I have to move 1,000 little files every single time, not just one big file that it will be within seconds. If it's 1 gigabyte, with my hard disk, that's 3 seconds. Boom. That it's 100,000 or whatever I have, I don't even know, because that's the volume in megabytes, not the number of files. It's in the few hundreds of thousands. You can see how slow it is, even though it's a fast hard disk. Then I will let it continue. I will edit this, so you see the result. Finally, but no, it's not over. It's over copying the files. So what was the backup as in SuperMemo 19 or older? And now it's zipping this. So it's actually an extra step. It's not making a step that is different, that as it is copying, it's being zipped. No. Everything is copied and then everything is zipped. So now it even takes longer than what I thought. I thought it was just 13 minutes. It needed 15 minutes, something more than 15 minutes. And now to do the backup, the zip. And even that you see some weird stuff with the Windows. So it is painfully slow. And it's nothing new. I can do this externally. So why should I use that if it's built in? There's the pro. Well, the only pro is that I don't have to use an external tool to install an external tool. And that's about it. The only pro I can see in this feature. Everything else are cons. It's slower. The file size will be bigger. And most importantly, while I'm doing this, I cannot use SuperMemo. And on top of that, it's only per collection. With the zip externally, I can do all of the collections at once. Here is one by one. So it's virtually all cons. A feature that personally, I'm not going to use it. Then, now that we're finished, finally, just to let you know that that's a big change, that now we are not in the new collection. Do you see that here? Usually, you will now see the name of the collection, loading, and the date stamp. No. If now I go open collection, hey, where's the collection? It's not here because it didn't create any. There's no such file because we have what? A zip file. So where is that file? Remember, if you don't remember, you can go pretend you want to back up, and then it will tell you directly. Oh, it's in the C drive. It's going where I have SuperMemo installed, not where I have my files. So I was actually using my C drive, which is the fastest for me. Here it is. So that's the difference. I had backups, do you see, from last year. That is a KNO file and everything that I need. All of the folders and files. So this is more like Anki style, that I have the backup in one file, but you have seen that, hey, I can do, let's pretend I want to backup this collection, which is already a backup. So I select them, right click, zip. If I want to go quick, I will go there, just there, with 7-zip. And that's about it. In this case, it was a small collection. Then for the record, I can do the same. So I will first, important, quit SuperMemo. Then I will have chosen DS that contains my AutoHotkey scripts, the books I have externally, and all of the collections. So I will back up the parent. But to be fair, I will only do the same collection. That was the, which one? The name, backup of AR. Okay. Sorry, it's there. Backup of AI. Okay. So I will do the same. AR and the folder and the K and O. Both. 7-zip. I will rename it later, no worries. I will make it quick. In this case, it was a very small collection because I have split that. And it's just 31,000 files. And that needed more than 15 minutes. Crazy. Look, I already have 8,000. It's incredible. If I had done the other collection, the language, or the collection that I had before splitting, which has more than 300,000 files, I would have needed hours to do this backup. And that means hours that SuperMemo cannot be used. Or at least that collection. And you can see that even if I guess it's the fastest method by default, it's half of the file size already. Okay, and it's done. Then it was called systems. I will just move it here. So do you see 556 megabytes against 632. So it's smaller. So if I do backups every week and so on, it's storage I'm saving. Then instead of 15 plus 3 minutes, so I think 18 in total, it was slightly more than 3 minutes. And it's the same data. So overall, take home message. When you use comparing the backup of the zip backup solution for SuperMemo, if you do it externally, first, you can backup one collection or as many collections as you want and any other arbitrary folder. Everything you want. A massive perk. Not only that, it's faster and the file size is shorter. It's a win-win in every single scenario. And if you don't care about the file size, so when you do the backup, now I will do the parent. Here, you say just storage, not fastest. This will be even quicker. It's just a matter of seconds. Since it's so little, our megabytes, it's not even 1 gigabyte, this collection, I don't care. Because I will need hundreds and hundreds of backups to worry about the size, right? And I want the convenience to be done within seconds. So you even have this perk. So conclusion, good that SuperMemo updated the built-in backup solution, but there's no reason for you to use it. Only at the very beginning. That's all for now. See you incrementally.